The goal of our presentation is for people to understand that even though polls can't represent the entire population, they try to.
The use of random sampling in polls is random samples is the method of constructing a representative sample. Using information from a sample gives an idea about the population's thoughts. Population is the people that are being surveyed to help find a conclusion. Random samples are randomly selected from the population. The best way to get a representative sample is with random samples. Representative sample is a sample that looks like the population.
We've provided a couple examples of how polls use random sampling in surveying people. The first one is using a random number generator, and it's used with smaller sample sizes, and this method randomizes people surveyed into numbers and picks a specific number at random. The second example we used is using the random number method formula in Excel. This is used with number IDs, and you're finding the population means, which is the average, and the formula for that is ran between to 1 to the nth number. Random sampling can look just as easy as this, just by looking up the random number generator in Google and putting in a minimum and a maximum. For this random sample, we got 173.
The use of weighting in polls is weighting is using math to adjust how well a poll sample is. Weighting helps to adjust how accurately a poll sample represents the population. A segment of the population can be overrepresented or underrepresented. Overrepresented means the weight is less than 1, and under means it's more than 1. Calculating weight is weight equals population divided by sample.
This is a way weighting can be used in a real-life example. The population of a city in Fox Point is 49% female and 51% male. A random sample drawn from this would be 200 females and 150 males, making it a total sample of 350 people. Finding the weight of these samples will be calculated like this. Female would be 200 divided by 350, making the sample 57%, and the male would be 150 divided by 350, making the sample 34%. The female weight would be 0.49 divided by 0.57, making it 0.86, and the male weight would be 0.51 divided by 0.43, making it 0.19.
The importance of weighting and sampling in polls is random sampling in polls is meant to have a representative sample of the population. There is no way to get conclusive answers from the entire population because not everyone chooses to participate. Using the weighting formula helps pollsters adjust the sample to more accurately represent the population.
Thanks for listening.
Yay!